Dual monitors significantly boost productivity by allowing you to multitask efficiently across multiple screens. This introduction will guide you through setting up dual displays using a Dell docking station. We'll cover compatibility requirements, physical connections, and software configuration to ensure you achieve a smooth multi-screen experience. A Dell docking station like the WD-19 provides multiple ports including USB-C, HDMI, DisplayPort, and Ethernet, making it easy to connect dual monitors to your laptop. Here's an example of a productive workstation setup with two large monitors connected through a docking station, along with keyboard and charging capabilities. In the following sections, we'll dive deeper into compatibility, connections, and configuration to get you started. Ensure your Dell docking station supports dual monitors. Popular models include the WD-22TB, WD-19TB, and WD-15TB, which provide the necessary video ports for connecting multiple displays. Your laptop must have a compatible USB-C or Thunderbolt port to connect to the dock. This ensures proper power delivery and data transfer for dual monitor setups. For optimal performance, choose docks with Thunderbolt 4 or 5 technology. These support higher resolutions and faster data transfer speeds, enabling smoother dual monitor experiences. Always verify device compatibility before setting up your dual monitor configuration to avoid connection issues and ensure the best results. First, connect your Dell docking station to your laptop using a USB-C or Thunderbolt cable. This establishes the primary connection that powers the dock and enables data transfer. Next, connect your monitors to the docking station's video ports. Use HDMI, DisplayPort, or USB-C cables depending on your monitor's capabilities. The dock supports multiple ports for dual monitor setup. When selecting cables, USB-C offers versatility and can carry video, data, and power. HDMI and DisplayPort are excellent for high-resolution displays, with DisplayPort supporting daisy chaining. If daisy chaining your monitors, use a DisplayPort cable to connect the second monitor directly to the first monitor. This reduces cable clutter and utilizes the dock's single output more efficiently. Finally, connect power to the docking station and turn on your monitors. Make sure all devices are powered and ready for use. Remember, wired connections offer greater stability and lower latency compared to wireless alternatives, making them ideal for professional dual monitor setups. On macOS Ventura and later versions, which includes macOS 14 and above, start by opening System Preferences and navigating to the Displays section. This is where you'll configure your dual monitor setup. In the Displays window, click on the Arrangement tab. Here you can position your monitors by dragging and dropping the monitor icons to match your physical desk layout. This ensures your mouse and windows move correctly between screens. For more advanced control over your displays, consider installing Dell Display Manager for macOS. It provides additional features like keyboard shortcuts for switching between configurations and custom display profiles. If monitors aren't detected, check cable connections and ensure they are certified Dell cables. Update your dock's firmware and drivers from Dell's support site at dell.com/support. Run Dell's diagnostic tool to check for EDID conflicts that might cause display issues. Minor latency may occur in wireless extensions, but wired setups remain stable and reliable. To optimize your dual monitor setup with Dell docks, enable HDR and high refresh rates in display settings for supported monitors. Use software like Display Fusion or Dell's Screen Manager for hotkeys and multitasking across your dual monitors. Consider a biometric dock like the WD-22TB with fingerprint sensor for secure encrypted connections via Windows Hello. Looking ahead, Dell docks are evolving with advanced features to enhance productivity and sustainability. Expect AI integration in future Dell docks, such as the WD-25TB, to automatically arrange screens and optimize your workflows based on your usage patterns. Wireless docking via Wi-Fi 7 is rapidly growing, allowing for cable-free connections and greater flexibility in multi-monitor setups. Dell is committed to sustainability, incorporating eco-friendly designs and recycled materials in their docking stations to reduce environmental impact. Keep an eye out for Thunderbolt 6, which will bring enhanced display capabilities, supporting more monitors and higher resolutions. The future of Dell docks promises smarter, more sustainable, and capable solutions for dual monitor setups.